Good morning, everybody. I need to go get some coffee. Hey, Indy, good morning. Sunset, Aaron, good morning, good morning. How we doing? Yeah, FOMC day. Hey, Dom, good morning. How's everyone doing this morning? Let's have a good day. Let's have a good day of trading. How about it? Not sure what to expect. Hey, good morning, Alex. Not sure what to expect. We have FOMC at 2 o'clock. Yeah, I don't know. Might be a little bit of a weird day today. Might be a little bit weird. The lag is tiny today. Let's go. What is it? Hey, Uncle Creco. Good morning. Five-second delay. Wow. I don't know. I don't know what's happening, but I'm not going to touch it. That's awesome. Well, we had this news come out at 8:30, spiked up initially, and then just we've sold off since that. So, and then in the overnight session, kind of drifted down, found some support here at 15,083, and then at the 3 o'clock opening, we had a really nice rally, really nice move all the way up to the 15,151 range. Very interesting. Then since then we've just kind of sold off. But basically we are opening, we closed right here. Basically right here is where we closed last night. So I don't know. I'm very interested to see what this price action does. I'm just going to watch this price action this morning, see what it wants to do. I'm kind of expecting this thing to go sideways until FOMC, but who knows? Maybe not. Hey, Donovan, good morning. Samir, good morning. Yeah, exactly. Bounce or sell off? That's the question. I mean, I have to think we're going to, bounce. We're going to keep going up, but with FOMC, I think everyone is expecting that they're going to halt the rates, which means it's usually priced in already. The only thing that would really move the market would be if they don't pause the rates, and then I could see this thing selling off a little bit more, but I don't know. Who knows? I'm not going to try and predict what's going to happen. That's a great way to look like an idiot. Last couple FOMC days, there hasn't really been that much movement during the FOMC, I've noticed. But after the FOMC and like almost after market closed, and then that next market session is when it really had a big move, more so. Hey, Martin, good morning. How we doing? Hey, Cartier, good morning. How are you doing? How are you doing? All right, 9:25. 5 minutes to open. I'm gonna go grab me a cookie and some coffee. I'll be right back. I'm gonna have some cherry pie with my coffee this morning. Gonna mix it up a little bit this morning. I'm gonna give you the alternate camera angle so you don't see me watch me eat. What? What happened to my alternate camera angle? That's weird. Hmm. Not sure what's going on with that camera. All right, there we are. Now I can eat. Good morning, no futures. I had a good one, Sunset. Candy bar straight out of Willy Wonka. That's right. All right, we are all I can say is some cherry pie with coffee in the morning. That's kind of underrated. Very funny, Jerry. Biz. So you got the free UProfit Freedom account. So they were running a special. So the Freedom account from UProfit is only available for limited times, and here over the Memorial Day weekend, for like 2 weeks, I think they had the Freedom account available. So that's when I snatched it up. Kind of hoping they bring it back over July 4th, maybe. But I'll make sure I'll make sure to let you guys know when that Freedom account is available again. I'll make sure to let you guys know. I don't have a link. I don't have any discount code for it. Obviously, right now you can't even get it. So once it does become available, I'm hoping to have a discount code for you guys. That's what I'm working on right now, but it's been a little bit of an uphill battle to get that. So I guess we'll wait and see what happens. All right, selling off here at the open on the NASDAQ. Let's watch the 15. I want to watch the 15-minute this morning to help me from getting antsy and jumping in when I shouldn't. Also, ES bounced right off of this support of the overnight session. Should be an interesting day. Should be an interesting day. Yep, no problem, Biz. All right. Time to get to work for me. I have another drawing I need to have done by end of day. We're leaving on vacation this Saturday, and kind of have all these deadlines that I need to meet in order to not be worrying about work when I'm going on vacation, which would be nice. All right, we're bouncing here. How's NQ looking? NQ is a little bit behind, but ES making a pretty big bounce there. Not trading NQ today. I'm not sure. I'm going to be pretty selective with my trading this morning, especially. Like, I'm thinking that we're going to kind of go sideways today until FOMC, but doesn't always happen. We've had some nice trends up into FOMC, so but yeah, I was looking over my trades yesterday, watching myself trade yesterday and yesterday morning, and I was way too impatient yesterday morning. Man, I was trading yesterday morning like this is the last time that I'm ever gonna have an option of trading this market. Oh man. So I have to remind myself the market will be here tomorrow, and if it's not, then it won't matter anyway. So NQ selling off, making new lows here. Meanwhile, ES pulling back again. ES all the way back up to this 21 EMA and then sold off. So it's kind of feeling right now like this is going to be maybe a downtrend into the FOMC. Maybe. NQ definitely a little bit more selling pressure than in ES. All right, what are we gonna do here? Not a lot of volume. Well, no, wait. Hang on. I need to change this. I forgot. ES again, trying to bounce. Trying to make a move here. NQ doing a little bit more of a bounce here. Oh, let's make sure I have my right ATM strategy here. I think this morning, we'll start out with that. All right, seeing some momentum here on NQ now. Oof. Nice pop. Nice pop here on NQ. Nice push here on NQ. Nice bounce. Yeah, wow. This thing is feeling like it wants to rip up now. Or maybe not. Samira, yeah, sure. I'll show you what I have currently. So this is my, I don't know if you can see this very well. It's kind of small, but I have it set my stop loss at 30, my take profit at 30, but I do move those depending on where support, resistance, where I want to take profit. So I do move that 30 and 30. And then my second contract, I have it set at 50. Obviously that I move as well. And then my stop strategy, I just have it set to once I'm at 25 ticks profit, it moves my stop automatically to +1. That's basically my strategy on this. I've used it quite. No problem, Samir. Man, this is a nice move here. If we can get above, we get above VWAP here on the NQ. NQ now all of a sudden is leading the charge almost. ES now trying to join. Making a move above VWAP, above EMA. And we're up to VWAP. Can we push above? And there it goes. Trying to get above VWAP. All right, I need to use restroom. Too much coffee. All right, we're back. Wow, this is a nice move here on NQ. This 15-minute chart looking pretty bullish. See if we can get a pullback here. Maybe we can get a little bit of a pullback that we can maybe catch a little bit of this run. How much I get charged per commission? I think it's $1.99. Hey, Design, good morning. How we doing? How are we doing? Yeah, it's tempting here to enter. I mean, right now, I definitely wouldn't mind getting in on a long here if this pulls back. This would pull back like to the VWAP here. But I do want to be careful. Today could be pretty crazy with price action. Just never know. You just never know. Man, this is just keeps going up, man. We're at pushing up to 120 now. What a wolf. Hang on. Ah. Someone's phone going off. Yeah, we could see it test these highs, 150. I don't know. I would sure think we get a little bit more of a pullback before we make it all the way up there, but who knows? Who knows? It's fine. We are okay with being a watch, just watching this morning. We don't need a... I learned my lesson last night or yesterday morning. I did trade my UProfit account. I'm sure as most of you saw, kind of an update in case you didn't see my UProfit account. I am going to trade that off stream, basically off stream and on stream. Kind of, I'm not going to do all my trades on stream on my UProfit account. I'm going to take some trades aftermarket, pre-market. But I'm going to do a summary video of that specific account and like a playlist almost where I go over my trades for that day and kind of keep everybody up to date and just kind of do the same way I do my Apex accounts. Show my profit and loss at the end of every day, show my balance. But yeah, I did actually have a pretty good, some good trades pre-market on my U Profit. I think I'm up about $500 on that U Profit now. So I'm excited. It's kind of definitely I enjoy streaming and I enjoy trading on stream. Like I actually enjoy that, but I like also just having like that one account where I can trade off stream and it's a little more lenient with that, and but then still keeping you guys updated on where we're at. So hopefully that's cool with everybody. If it isn't, then I'm not sure what to tell you. All right, 15,120. It's hit it, but can it? Man, there it goes. Unreal. Unreal. I did not expect this nice of a move. I did not. Okay, now it ripped up to 124 and now it pulled back, doing a little fake out there. Interesting. Nice try, market. It was trying to get me to buy into this move above this 15,120. I know it was trying to do that. I'm getting up to NQ's tricks. I'm starting to catch these starting to get good at spotting these tricks that NQ keeps pulling. All right, now see if we can pull back to the VWAP here. Maybe we can get a good entry here. All right, this might. Let's just make sure we don't get. I want to be careful. Ooh, that's not what you wanted to see there. We're gonna wait. We are gonna wait. There is no hurry. Hey, Samir, you were almost right. It didn't pass 125. And now we're ripping again. Man, this is, yeah, I'm not touching this. I am not touching this. It can keep ripping up and I'm fine watching. This kind of price action is, I don't know, not what I'm here for. It feels like it wants to rip up, but then it keeps getting rejected. I thought we'd pull back a little bit more. Doesn't want to make up its mind. Yay, meme trader, how we doing today? Yep, FOMC day. That's kind of why I'm okay sitting on my hands watching this. Just wait and see. There's no law that we have to be in a trade. It does feel like it wants to rip higher here, though. If you're long, you should be good. You should be good, I feel like, but there it is. There it goes. Or will it? Hmm, hmm, hmm. Yeah, this market's gonna be wicked. I feel like this market is gonna be mean. It's gonna be mean today. What was that spike down? Oh, lit. What's going on here, boys? All right, I gotta take this call. All right, sorry about that. I'm back. All right, this thing is pretty crazy. Now it's trying to push to new highs, though. There it goes. This might rip the way this price action was going. Might get a nice push here. But like I said, I am fine just watching this price action. I don't know. If I would have entered here, I would definitely would have gotten stopped out. 100%. That's what makes it really tough. Tough trading. You can be right on direction, but wrong on your entry and timing. And there we go. Up there at 135s now. Man, oh man. It's a nice move, though. Nice move. And making thing looks like it's gonna test this 51.51 or 151 area right here. Sure is feeling that way. All right. All right. Man, this thing, what's ES doing during this time? Wow, ES ripping to new highs, not all time, but past this 41. Wow. What a move. What a move. Pretty good move. This is a pretty nice move up if someone caught it. Hit your profit goal for the day, Jin. That's awesome. Let's go. Caught an entry with 3 micros at 1554. Wow. 1554. That's literally the bottom there. Cartier, nicely done. Wow, that's crazy. That's awesome. All right. See if this can push up to 151. That's going to kind of be the magic number right there. Curious what happens if we hit it. And here we go. Maybe. You want to see it pull back? Yeah, there's a lot of support here at 15,088, 090 right here. Now we're pulling back. Basically tested this high from when the news came out. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you, Cartier, but that's an awesome trade. Awesome, Alex. That's a great idea. Okay, here we go. It's gonna try to push here, I feel like. Yeah, I'm not interested in buying up here. That's for sure. Not really interested on selling either. I'm just interested in watching. And here we go. 151 is hit. Man, oh man, I did not expect this. I did not. Now what are we going to do? Is this going to try and rip through here? You'd think we would get a pullback here, but who knows? Who knows? There we go. 15,155. We're breaking through. And this thing is just not going to stop, huh? We only go higher, folks. I keep saying that. Man, oh man. Hey, methodical man. Good morning. How we doing? Took the long off the order block. Nice. Awesome. That's awesome. Good to see. Holding your short. Oof. Yeah, Samir, it is always difficult when we break out to all-time highs like this. It's difficult. Like if we look at the daily, you know, there's no prior history. There's nothing to look to the left. It's just go up, 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 up. Obviously, we're going to have pullbacks, but it's really hard to try to predict those pullbacks, which I would rather just wait. And if we see big pullbacks, and then buy them. Hey, say you got your second funded account. Let's go. 500 from your third. That's awesome, Segi. Awesome. Good luck. I love to hear it. Oh, the continuous charts, Cartier. Yeah, I see what. Yeah, true. Hey, Slia. Good morning. How we doing? Up 570. Let's go. Nicely done. Nicely done. Wow, 160 now. Wow, this is crazy, boys. I mean, I'm at the point where I'm like, okay, maybe I just go along here and ride along with it. What I consider a pullback, I always like using my 14 and 21 EMA. That is kind of my go-to for pullbacks. Like right now, I wouldn't consider that we have had any pullbacks on this move up, just for me. Wow, this is crazy. Crazy, man. Of course, the day that I'm like yesterday, I was like, okay, I feel like we're going to make new highs. And I was way over anxious and way impatient, and it cost me. And then this morning I was like, hey, we're just going to go sideways, guys. And then we ripped to new highs. That's a note to sometimes you need to be humbled. But we were wrong. My thesis this morning was definitely wrong. Or I was thinking we would go sideways today up into FOMC, but definitely not. This is now just looking like, hey, Cartier, I think your target hit 15,171. Nice trade. That's awesome. You feel like this is the top? Oh, Aaron, let's not pick tops. That's not a fun time. I know that from experience. Wow, Segi. Wow, that's an awesome trade. Getting in down here. I mean, when this came up past right here at 15,074, it crossed my mind. I'm like, this would be the entry long if we get a nice bounce. But I did not pull the trigger, so it doesn't count. All right, let's see what this does. Maybe we get a pullback here. I mean, it sure feels like we should get some kind of pullback after a big move like this, but I don't know. We'll wait and see. The volume, the other thing I see is the volume isn't crazy. Like this move up, the volume is pretty mediocre. I mean, I guess it's not terrible. It's not terrible though. Pretty decent volume. If we look at Bookmap, if we look at any liquidity, really not much. There's some sitting at 15,150 now, but not. When I look at Bookmap, I'm looking for liquidity that's been there, like sitting there for like a couple hours. The longer that liquidity is there and has been there, the better, or I feel like it makes it more valid. But now we're getting this pullback. Aaron, are you still short? Good luck, Aaron. Go, go, go. I'm cheering for you. You won. You fought the market and you won. Hey. Okay, so now we got to pull back to the 50. This is where it's tempting just to enter. Hopefully not get faked out. This makes me nervous the way this price action is. Yeah, we'll leave it be. Keep pulling back here now. Did you get out, Aaron? Or did you get out? Take your money and run? ES coming down to this 14 EMA. NQ selling off pretty hard here. Pulling back to this 120 now, 130, I mean. This is why I don't like buying up here. I wouldn't recommend selling. I wouldn't recommend trying to pick the tops. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Aaron. I'm just kidding. Good one, Aaron. You got a scalp. Hey, nicely done. All right, now getting a trigger here on my Apex sniper system for a long. Man, I'm not going to jump in yet. It's looking better and better, but let's wait. Seems like it can't make up its mind what it wants to do here. Okay, now it's making a little bit of a move here. Let's just wait. All right, let's see if we can catch this thing. Eh. Oh, come on. Don't do me like this. Give me the old fake out. No. Don't like this at all. Gonna get stopped out. Man. We got faked out. I was afraid of that. Afraid of it, and I pulled the trigger anyway. Now it's gonna go without me. Are we fighting again? Are we talking about ICT again? Hey, nobody's awesome. Past 50K evals. Nice. Nicely done. Oh, let me see some. You don't need to like ICT, but don't hate on other people that use this concept. And if it works for them, that's all that matters. Oh, man, I'm thinking about trying this again. Why did I... What? Why did I not get filled on my other account? Hang on. Come on, baby. Boom. Okay, we have a little bit of a problem here. My trade copier did not take my trade on that other one. What did I do? That's disappointing. It didn't copy to this account. I need to investigate that. Why did it... What the problem is? I took a long on that one, Jay. Ah, that is weird. Is the copier not working? I'm not quite sure why it didn't copy that trade. I did not mark it in. Hey, thanks, Biz. Yeah, I'm not using Replicon till I was... Yeah, what? That's weird. That's unfortunate. Of course, it copied my trade that was a loser, but it didn't copy my trade that was a winner. Go figure. Yeah, I was looking at my orders and positions, and it's open. Like, flatten everything. I don't have an open order sitting there. Like, I'm not sure. I have no idea. That's the first time that it's not taken like my order like that. Well, I guess it is what it is. Kind of want to test it out again. Hmm. It's unfortunate. It is what it is, I guess. Actually, I do have the micro right here. I could do that. I actually wouldn't mind. Let's see if this works. Okay, see, it's copying all my trades here. Seems like it's working. Guess we might as well stay in this trade. What do you think? See if we can catch a move here, huh? Huh, that's interesting. I have no idea why it didn't work that other time. No idea. Muggles, I think that's the only thing that would make sense. I checked my open orders. I guess I didn't before I was filled. I did not check. That's the only thing that makes sense is it only took one of my orders and yeah, I mean, I know that happens, so yeah, it's fine. It's fine. All right, we might as well let this thing see what it does. Maybe we can catch a nice runner here. I wanted to get a trade in on all these accounts anyway, so this works out. See what I want. If I want to move my stop all the way down here. I don't think so. We'll keep it right there for now. I need to go get water. Sorry. I apologize. Thanks, Bob. You're my... I keep muting myself. Traitorous Chick, good morning. How are you doing? Let's go. Yeah, I am sorry. And NQ pushing higher. This is insane. 15-minute chart. Man, that makes me really sad that I didn't get that order copied here. We'd be in the green right now. Unfortunate. You'll have that. It's the first time that a trade copier hasn't copied over when one account has. So kind of weird. But oh well. Hey, I'm doing well. I'm doing great. Oh, liquidity on ES? Oh, I see that. 44.50. Yeah, good point. Good call out. Maybe I'll move my target up to 44.50. Can I even go that high? Well, I might get stopped out for sure. There we go. 44.50. Can we do it? Can we go all the way up to here before FOMC minutes? I'm going to say probably not. That's interesting, though, that liquidity is sitting all the way up there. All right, we're not going to look at this chart. What happens, happens. Excuse me. Move up my stop. I mean, I'm okay. Let me look. If I could move my stop to break even, I guess. That way I lock in just a little bit of green. My accounts need some green, but we're going to get stopped out here. 110% certainty. But that's okay. It's actually not a terrible idea. I kind of like this idea of taking some 1 micro trades. Like right down here, when I was considering a bounce, I actually like that idea of just take 1 micro and see if we can't get like a 20 or 30 point move. And if we do, great. If not, no harm, no foul. All right. Well, there you go. But we have our mission accomplished, what we wanted to do. All right, NQ, what's it going to be? Looks like it wants to pull back. Wants to pull back here. Yeah, Matterman, thanks for calling that out. But I'm only had the copy trader copying all my accounts when I'm trading the micro. I should actually rename this tab to so only on the micro ES am I copy trading all my different accounts. On NASDAQ, but I'll double check. But yeah, my trade copier, everything is like how I want it. I just don't understand why I didn't copy that one trade. But oh well. Hey, nice, Vincent. Nicely done. Muggles. Wouldn't that be the same as shorting 1 micro now, though? You mean, I'm not sure what you mean, Muggles. Oh, are you saying, want to know the best way to trade? Here, I'm buy low, sell high. And walk away, come back, see a trade, set your stuff, and walk away. I agree, Slaya. So I'm gonna wait until the end of my day to do my review on my UProfit Freedom account. But that's what I did in the overnight session. Got a good. I found a good level I like. I entered, set my stop loss, set my profit target, and then I went to bed. And I wake up. And boom, profit target hit. So if I keep having success doing that, I'm going to become a Walmart trader. And what that means, a Walmart strategy is I enter my position, everything like I want, and then I go to Walmart. And by the time I come back, I'll just make a lot of trips to Walmart. Feels bad. No shot, Alpine. Are you serious? Oof. Was it on YouTube, Alpine? I wouldn't mind watching that. I mean, oh, that just gives me chills thinking about that. Can you imagine? Can you imagine having 20 accounts and being up like 15K per account and going on a complete bender and blowing your accounts in one day? Can you imagine? Oh, that's 300K down the tubes. Oh, that would, I can't even imagine. I would be so, I would throw up. I would literally throw up. I'm pretty sure. The most I ever lost in one day of my real money, like real money, was 11,000. I once 5 years ago, I lost $11,000 of my own hard-earned money in one day. That was not fun. Still remember it. Ugly. Alpine, is that on YouTube somewhere? Wow. Here we go. It just wants to keep going higher. Oh, he just shared the losses. He was up 50K in a month? Well, I mean, that kind of explains it. If you're up that much in a month, then you're, I don't want to say that you're getting lucky, but you are trading way outside your risk management. There's no way on a 50K account that you can be up 50K in a month and not being trading way outside your risk parameters, in my opinion. But man, that feels bad. Oh man. If I ever do that, I'm going to pull a Summit 1G. Anybody know who Summit 1G is? I'm going to do Summit 1G. I'm going to punch my monitor. For sure. Anybody here gamers? Any gamers here? Hey, futures, you like gaming? Well, okay, let's go. I like gaming when I have time. Lately, I have had zero time to play video games, but I really enjoy it. 250 a day if he's trading 20. Well, I'm saying one account. I'm saying if you have one account and you go from 50K to 100K in one account, that's what I was saying. But yeah, if you would have 20 accounts, then no, that wouldn't be that far-fetched. Overwatch and Smite. All right, everybody share the games that everybody share your favorite video games. You play WoW? Okay. Awesome. CS:GO days. Oh man, the good old times. The good old times. Yeah, one account biz. That's what I mean. Then it's like insane. Destiny 1. Okay. Tetris. Nice. Let's go. Now we're really OG. Yeah, gaming when you're 40 with kids is hard. I know it is. Yep. Warzone, CS:GO, iRacing. Yep. Okay. Sounds good. Modern Warfare 2. Nice, nice. Knockout City server. Is that what game is that? Chicago Merc Exchange Group pricing sim. That's funny. Warzone, Zelda God of War, Red Dead Redemption. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I've not seen anyone say my well, I kind of have two favorite games to be fair. My two favorite games that I play is you guys are gonna laugh, and it's gonna fit in well with my almost 40-year-old version of myself. But probably my favorite game is Farming Simulator. I love that game. It's a very chill, relaxing, or when I want to just chill, have a good time, play some Farming Simulator. We like that. All right, we are struggling to make new highs here. I feel like it tried this attempt and failed. Be curious if we pull back quite a bit here. This is actually kind of now where I'm like a little bit of a risky setup here, but actually kind of liking this idea of using micros when I just want to, come on, fill me. Thank you. All right, we're going to test it. We're going to keep her stop right here. This is on micros, so we're not freaking out. Well, I guess we might, but we're not freaking out if we get stopped out. It's okay. But we're basically, I'm going to kind of look for some pretty big moves on some of these just to see. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Anyway, let's let it go now. All right, back to Nutty Bar Farming. That's a good. Hey, maybe I have an alternate channel coming up. Nutty Bar Farming Simulator. Farming NQ and ES. Yeah, sometimes I feel like I'm the one getting farmed. Microsoft Flight Simulator. Let's go, Origin. I love that game too. I love it. Ideally I want to have like that cockpit setup, but for my farming simulator, I actually have the whole wheel and my shifter. you guys would make fun of me if you saw me. It's pretty nerdy. It's a pretty nerdy setup. But we like farming. It's pretty epic. It is pretty epic. And we usually I go hardcore mode. Hey, Garcia, good morning. How we doing? If I still have what? My wheel and shifter? Oh, yeah, of course I do. Trades Evolve is live on YouTube channel, only showing his P&L. Okay. I guess that's good. I'm not sure. Hey, you're still playing Diablo 2? Awesome. You got the wheel and pedals? Well, I was ready to say Alpine. I bet you do if you're playing iRacing. That's pretty that's awesome. I think that's awesome. Were you Alpine? I remember when Summit 1G was playing his racing simulator. Hey, Biz, thank you. I appreciate that. All right, let's see if we can sell off here. I'd like that. My other favorite, thank you, Madam. I almost forgot about that. So, my other favorite video game, and this is a video game that I play when I want to get my blood going and I want to escalate my blood pressure. This game gets me worked up. It's called Escape from Tarkov. Has anyone here play that game? Yeah, I know, Alpine. That was so funny. I don't know. I had a great time watching that. Virtunis. I'm not really worried about that. Honestly, this trade here is more just to see if I can catch a big runner. Just seeing if we can catch a big. I mean, I'll move my stop, my profit probably there on my first one, like right here on my second one, but it's one of those, yeah. Whatever. We'll take the L if it's gonna go to new highs. We'll take the L, and it looks like it might. How about Maple Story? I don't know about that. Vigor? No, I don't. You've heard of Escape from Tarkov? Yeah. Well, let me just warn you right now. If anyone plays Escape from Tarkov, you'll know what I mean when I say it's very, very intense. There's no other game that I've ever played that will get your blood pressure up like the Escape from Tarkov will. It is crazy. Oof. Crazy, crazy, man. All right, see if we can keep selling here. Come on, push it down. Let's make new lows. Let's have a good time. Let's have a good time. There we go. Come on. Sell it. You know you want it. Well, let's... Come on. This is not... ES is not wanting to join this party the way it feels like. It's being very stubborn. Why you gotta be like that? We'll give it time. Is it online? No, it's so... Basically, Escape from Tarkov, you play... You get your own character, and then you basically are competing. I don't know. I'm not even sure how to describe it, to be honest. But it basically, you try to collect stuff. You go out into an environment, into the world environment, and then you try and collect stuff for your character, like guns, like armor, and stuff to eat, all that stuff, and then you bring it back to your hideout if you extract. If you're able to extract from the game, so when you enter the environment, world environment, I guess, or whatever, if you go on a raid, then you have usually like 42 minutes of that raid. And in 42 minutes, you need to get to your certain extract point. And that's the number one thing. You have to get to your extract in the right amount of time. If you do and you extract, then you get to keep everything that is on you. And then you basically put it in your hideout. It's a long story here, but what's going on here? NQ is selling off like crazy and ES not doing it. It's actually upsetting me. We should be all the way down here. Look at this. It's trolling me. Okay, that's fine. It's fine. We will leave it. Now it's bouncing. Starting to think maybe NQ long here. Don't want to do that, actually. I just realized I can't do that. That's actually unfortunate. But yeah, this thing did not sell off at all compared to ES. Or NQ, I mean. All right, it's going to stop me out. It's fine. A little bit frustrated that it didn't sell off like NQ did, but oh well. We're only going up, folks. Hey, excuse me. Super Mario Brothers. That's true. Anybody remember the days of playing Game Boy? And oh man, those were the days. Why I was selling when we are above VWAP? I mean, that's a great question right now. When we were down here, it was easier to answer that. But basically, I'm just looking for this to sell off. Really, it's as simple as that. All right, we're coming back. It's making a comeback. Stop me. It was like one tick close to stopping me out. You want to come down to hit my target now? Would that be okay with you? You'd be good with that? Or are we just going to do this back and forth dance all day? You know what, guys? I actually need to go to Walmart. This is not a lie. I actually need to go to Walmart. And I need to go to my bank. I need to make a deposit. Which is very important. So this is a great time to do a Walmart trade. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to leave my stream running. That way I can watch my stream while I'm going to Walmart. Not that I can do anything about it, but at least I can watch it. And I'm going to go to Walmart, get my stuff, make my bank deposit, probably eat lunch, an early lunch, and then I will be back. And this market, I'm going to put my chair is going to be in charge of this trading. So I have faith. I have faith that the chair will do okay. Just need this to get to this profit target, then I'm happy. If it gets to this one, great. Just take out from you. Yeah, right. If only I could, Alpine. I think you have a ghost order. Really? Nope, we're good. Oh, this is going to go all the way back up now and take me out. Watch. All right. I'm going to Walmart. Wish me luck. And whatever. Whatever happens, happens. I will be back. All right. I'm back. All right. What's up, everybody? We're back. Well, that didn't work out. Got nice breakout. Very nice breakout. When I was watching this, I'm like, man, if this hits my 44.40, which it could still do that, should have just left my, which I would have, should have just kept my stop where I had it and leave it alone. My original trade would have been a good Walmart trade. This one was not. All right, but we have a pullback here. Question is, do we pull the trigger on this one? I feel like as soon as I enter on one of these pullbacks, it's not gonna be a pullback, it's gonna be a continuation and continue selling off. That's what I'm, but we're gonna give it a shot here. It's been going only up so far. See if we can catch this. Oh. It's going to be one of those days. If I get stopped out here, then this account here will be done for the day. Come on, man. Not cool. There we go. Come on, rip it higher. Come on. Do you still think Apex can keep up with the payouts? Yeah, amen, pretty easily. Yeah, if you just do a little bit of math, they made about probably 8-9 million last month and only had to pay out 4 million. This is not good. Oh, man. There we're going to get stopped out. Maybe. Come on, pop it. And now I forgot to get what I've got. I need to go get that. I'll be right back. Please don't stop me out, market. Go figure. Oh man. One time I want to trust the pullback, and then it does that. I just figured. What is my P&L? I mean, these accounts, I'm down $24 on the account. These are just not really the ones I'm focusing on, but these two. One is in the red, $700. The other one is $400. Feels bad. Yeah, if you adjust the resolution manually, usually you can see, or I've discovered that usually mobile by default, it's like at 480p or something like that. But I'm going to unlink this account. This account is getting very close to being on life support. I mean, the markets here were pretty nice, of course, but of course, the one time that I try to catch a pullback, I mean, I like this entry bar, I like this one, but it was just a fake out. It is what it is. That'll happen. Um, I'm trying to think if I want to continue trading that account today or not. Trying to think what's the difference. um, we probably we might as well keep trading it if we're gonna trade it. I mean, yeah, I might as well. Yeah, Biz, I know. Feels bad. Not Definitely not having a great day, that's for sure. All right, do we want to try it again? I mean, I like this level. I like where it pulled back to, but who knows? Maybe the rest of the day here we're just going to pull back into FOMC, so that could be. I don't like that. We'll wait. Hmm. Maybe we pull back to this 15,151 area. It's definitely feeling like this is selling off. Man, now we're below this 15,151. I'm really glad I didn't try another pullback entry there. I was okay with this entry here because we were still above the EMA and just, I don't know. Obviously, this didn't. You like the day? Hey, that's awesome, Jerry. We do. We all see the market differently. That's what's kind of cool about it. No more discount on evals, muggles. Nope. Well, there's a 50% discount right now, but not 80%. Yeah, I know, Alpine. I wish. This is the move. This here is the move I was looking for when I shorted right here. I don't know. It felt like, I don't know. I didn't buy into this move so much. But then when this happened, I was like, okay, maybe. But then, of course, when I do believe it, and then I enter and then I get stopped out again. Now, will we get a bounce here? Maybe. I'm going to give it a shot if I get filled. Oh my gosh. Come on. I have to have my stop below this. Come on, Rip. Give me a nice move here. I need it. Man, I'm going to keep my profit there. Need this thing to pop. Come on. It's taking longer than I wanted it to. There we go. Okay, first profit hit. All right, see if we can get a runner going. Come on, baby. Go, baby, go. I'm going to be a little bit greedy here. This might cost me. Come on, baby. There you go. Rip it. Do it. Come on. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to move my stop up. No, don't pull back now. No, 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 no. We believe. We believe. Tell them, nobody. Tell them. Rip it. Come on. You can do it. It feels like it's tired now. Rip it. One time, baby. Just one time. One time. One time. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yes. Go, baby. Okay, I want this candle to close in 30 seconds. I want it to close at the high. Do it. Keep up. Keep it up. Go, 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 go. Come on. Push it. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. That's it. That's what we like to see. Okay, new candle. Gonna have my stop right here. And hopefully we keep going. No. No. Bad boy. No. You turn around right now, this second. You keep going up, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Go. Push it. Need to cheer this thing. I think it helps. I think it helps. Trading or a sporting event. Hey, we're making trading into a sporting event. Go, baby, go. Push it. Push. Oh, oh, go, go, go. You can do it. Kick it in. Kick it in. You can do it. No, bad boy. Okay. I'm happy. We're going to take the win. We're going to take it. Okay. Good trade. Good trade. Good cheering chat. Good job, chat. Feel like you definitely helped. All right. This account is off of life support. I'm very happy that I was very hesitant to enter here. I was very hesitant. I almost didn't pull the trigger here, but I'm very, very thankful I did. All right. I don't even know how many ticks that was. What was it? 70 ticks? Now it will make new highs. Well, I was expecting the same. Once I get out, this will rip easy to 15,200. Easy. Yeah, and I was running out of breath. I was getting mentally very tired of cheering. See, there it goes. There it goes. Hey, like I say, we'll be happy with that. We don't need to catch the whole move. We just need a little bit of it. The fact that it's not pulling back here is actually really good. This thing should keep going. Should have stayed in it. I mean, I'm happy with that profit, but man, does feel like it's stalling a little bit, but it's still pretty nice looking trade. Yeah, I didn't even. All right, now I want this to pull back just so I'll feel good. I just wanted to pull back. Someone was giving birth to someone. Holy cow. I need to go re-listen to it. It was probably a lot worse sounding than what it sounded like in my head. We aim to entertain here. We trade and entertain. I do feel like cheering it on helped. I really feel like that helped. So I think I'm going to keep doing that. All right, now pull back. Do it. Pull back all the way down to here. I would appreciate it. What's the ES? Wow, ES didn't make that big of a move here. Would have been a nice play right off of VWAP. I did not see that. I really hate seeing all these red numbers. Almost. I need a script. I need someone to create a special ninja script. You're still on the long, Jerry. All right. We'll keep cheering it on. Go, baby, go. I believe. I already feel good about taking this off right here because of this pullback. So it can keep going up now. I'm fine with that. Elito, yeah, it was a limited time that they were offering that 150K account. Sorry. Now, usually they bring it back. I'm hoping they'll bring it back like around July 4th, but I don't know for sure, but I'll definitely make sure to inform everyone if they bring that Freedom account back. All right, Jerry, you're looking good. This thing looks like it wants to keep going higher. We're up against this 21 EMA and the 14 EMA right here as well, so that's a little bit concerning. But if we can push above that, I mean, I don't see a reason it won't test these highs again. There it goes. Hold on, boys. Hold on. Nah. Here we go. Everybody hold on. Yeah, I'm sure they'll bring it back. Yep. Yeah, let's go, Jerry. Get that bread. Okay, here we go. Here we go. See if we can break this. Hey, Anna. How we doing? Hey, Ace. One left from 15,150. Nice. Nicely done. This was definitely the play. It came down, bounced right off of this support. I have a hard time. Like, I know people when they trade like these support and resistance, like they'll just have an order sitting here and it comes down and hits it and then they take it, and I don't have the nerve to do that. All right. Oh, Jerry for the win. It's going higher, folks. Everybody hang on. We got it. This thing's going to 200 for sure. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, look at it move. Look at it go. Go, baby, go. Nice, Jerry. Nice. Now it's ceiling. Maybe. Buying on red candles is the real secret. Okay, Cardi, I have a question. This is for you. So, like, okay, the way that you trade is what I'm going to say. Would you, like, when you define an area like this, like I have these areas marked on my chart, like, would you enter in your situation and your setup? Would you be comfortable just entering as soon as it hits this, or do you wait for like some kind of confirmation of a bounce before you enter? Yeah, sounds like an auction. I am a terrible auctioneer, so we definitely don't want to go there. A foosball reporter. Jerry, I hope, are you still hanging on? Man, I'm really upset that that one trade I didn't get copied to this account. If I had gotten that one copied, if it would have copied it, we'd have those two accounts would be in the green. Hey, Brick, how are we doing? It's been a while. Really, Kyle? Okay, so you would, that is, okay, I didn't know. I'm just asking. That's interesting. And I'm not saying it's wrong. I've often thought about doing that. I'm like, when I have all my support and resistance drawn, like, let's just look. Like, these levels were drawn last night. So obviously right here it didn't reach my level. Okay. But right here, if I just have a sell order here, it would have stopped me out right here and here. Well, I guess it depends where my profit target would have been. But okay, this thing is not done yet, maybe. But right here, this candle, buying this would have been a nice move. Obviously, buying this would have been a really nice move. Buying this would have been a nice move. Usually I'm drawing it on the 15 minutes. It varies. I look at the 3 minute as well. I look at the 60-minute as well. Okay, Kyle, that makes sense. Yeah. I just enter if I have already marked up the area. I say, okay. All right. Good to know, Cartier. Good to know. I know some people do, and it's kind of one of those things where you have your risk to reward and you just enter and you let the trade, you know, you let it work. You let it do its thing. A Walmart trade. Copy, Cartier. That's the key. Back testing. Enough back testing that you have confidence in your levels. They're not always going to work. I understand that. But if you have confidence that it's worth the risk, and it's also then, I feel like a lot of times when you do that, you get a lot bigger moves off the bounce. Like this bounce right here off of this level, you know, that's 135 up to 212. Almost an 80-point move. And then this move would have been 151, you know, to 184, which 40-point move as well. Wait, that's an ICT? I know that, Kirk. I'm not saying I'm going to trade that way. I'm just trying to understand. I know that some people trade that way. I'm not. If it works, it works. I find it interesting. We're not going to talk about ICT, okay? Everybody calm down. Everybody take a breath. Do what you need to do to calm down. We're not going to have an ICT discussion again, okay? Hey, Anna. Hey, hey, hey. Slowly back away. Oh, Mark, we're not doing that. We are not talking about it. Okay. People get upset. All right. Yeah, ICT is my uncle. I'm just kidding. Or maybe he's my dad. Actually, Patrick Whelan is my dad. I hear you, Cartier, but then I see some moves where it has zero respect for those levels as well. But I hear what you're saying. I'm getting what you're putting down. Hey, we've already established. We're not doing it, Aaron. We'll be in the next Market Wizards. I don't even know what that is. Yep, that's right, Don. Stuck in a range. I hear you. I did hear Patrick. Now, I'm just going to say this. I don't think it was me, but maybe he was talking about me. He said on stream, he said, yeah, there's this small streamer that someone sent me a clip of this small time streamer asking why I don't show my entries and exits and my account balances. And you can figure out what he said after that. He went off on me. No, I don't know that he was talking about me for sure. But that day before that, I was talking about that. But like I said, I've said this before. Once Patrick Whelan calls me out, like specifically my channel, I'm going to retire because then I know I've made it. I have officially made it if he goes off on me. All right, we're pulling back here. Jerry, I hope you got out up here. I hope you did. There's snitches in here, folks. Snitches get stitches. That's just a saying. All right. Got out right at the top, man. That's awesome. Nice trade, Jerry. That's awesome. Let's go. You gotta love it. Nicely done, Slaya. All right, take care, futures. No, Muggles, I agree. You're Patrick's mama. I think you need to have a sit down with him, Anna. I think you need to have a sit down with him. Oh, man. No, Muggles. I actually think, here's what I think. I actually think Patrick is a good trader. I actually do. I just think the way that he goes about it is, I mean, to each his own, but the way he goes about it, and he leaves a lot of question marks on his transparency. And there's things that he could do that would erase any questionable transparency, which, like, if he really is a good trader, and I think he is. I mean, I don't know. I know he got caught, 5 years ago, paper trading and basically portraying it like it was real money. And he did that for, I don't even know how long, until he got outed on it. So there's that background that you have to keep in mind. But right now, I don't have any specific, like, things I can point out that say, oh, he's definitely fake or XYZ. But it's just, if he really is that good of a trader, and then why not be more transparent and remove all doubt? Like, it's not that difficult. I know he says, oh, I don't want people taking my trades. Okay, I'm just going to give you a little words of wisdom. That is a pathetic excuse. And if his reasoning is, well, he doesn't want people losing money by copying his trades, then why is he selling a course? Like, that doesn't add up. All right, we're done talking about it now. Whoever can, you can go ahead and clip this and send it to him. Go ahead. Do it. All right, pull him back here. We failed to make it to this 200 level. Is this just a small pullback to get up there? That's what I want to know. You think Kyle is the snitch? That's not fair, Don. I like Kyle. Hey, take care, Kyle. Yeah, that's kind of the problem, Muggles. That is the problem. If you can be less transparent and people not care, like, and that is kind of what I've discovered, that basically these YouTubers, a lot of them, they are not transparent and it's working. And why change it? It allows them to sell more courses. It allows them to, they don't really suffer any pain from not being transparent. So why be transparent then? unfortunately. And again, to each his own. I'm not going to tell everybody else how to run their YouTube channel. All I know is when I see streamers that are transparent, I really appreciate them. And talking about that, David Knight, hey, how you doing? I appreciate your live streams and your channel. You're transparent. I appreciate that. Thank you. Now let's compare ICT and Patrick. Okay, you for the rest of the day from now until 2 o'clock. You guys just want to have a full on war. You want to have a full on chat war. Is that what we want? Anybody? You want to just have a full on ICT and da 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 war? It feels like we're heading that direction. It's gonna get ugly. You're welcome, David. Let's go. Full drama mode. I need to put a lot of warnings on my stream. I am not responsible for anything said in chat. Oh dear. I appreciate it, patient. There's some others that are doing it, and actually it's very encouraging. I had a hard time finding people that were being, and I'm careful when I say fully transparent because I kind of have my version of what I think that is. Other people might have a different version about it, but there's definitely been some YouTubers that channels that just started recently that are also being fully transparent. I really appreciate that. That's awesome to see. Hope we see more. Because that to me is the only way that we will change this YouTube kind of persona. If channels that are fully transparent start to grow faster and gain more subscribers and pass these other channels that are not being transparent, that's the only way that we're going to get the other people to actually change and being fully transparent, because then they actually have an incentive to be fully transparent. But I'm not really expecting that to happen. But if it does, that's great. BBM, most profitable verified on YouTube. Yep. Yep. Awesome, patient. I appreciate that. Nicely done, Blue Dark. Nice. 17.5 points. That's awesome. Keep at it. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing great. All right. We're just slowly pulling back here. Nothing really major. I don't really have any kind of, not looking to enter really here at all. Showing losses is not good for business. Yeah, I know. I know. Well. Well, where's our buddy 100 lot ES trader? I haven't seen him today. He might be lurking. Also, can I get a delay check? Curious what my delay is. Is the delay still around 10 seconds or less for everybody? I was checking my internet speeds, and I think my internet speeds did improve a little bit, or they seem to be better. So that could be a little bit of why we're getting better latency. 10 seconds? Okay, cool. Perfect, perfect. That's about as low as I've gotten it, so I'll take that. That is way better than 30 seconds. Perfect. From EU? Wow. All the way across the pond, and it's still 10 seconds. If you really stop and think about how crazy that is, that I'm streaming here in Ohio, someone from Europe is watching, and they are literally seeing what I'm hearing what I'm saying in 10 seconds and seeing what I'm seeing in 10 seconds. Paris, France. Oh, wow. Awesome. What a time to be alive. This 40-year-old man is amazed. I am one of those that I can sit down to the young kids pretty soon and be like, oh, back in the day, we had to, I don't even know what. Hear all the war stories. Oh, yeah, we had to walk uphill both ways going to school. Had to go 10 miles, 10 feet of snow. Hearing modem sounds. Remember those beep, boop, beep? Man, you have to be, how old do you have to be in order to remember the dial-up internet when it would beep, boop, and do that just to connect? And then you'd open a web page, and then the web page would load like one strip at a time. Oh my gosh. Oh, the pain. Oh, the pain. Man, we've come a long way. When you were like 7 years old? Yeah. Yep. Being that I grew up Amish, obviously I don't remember that. So feels bad. Now, you want to hear some wars, not war stories, but you want to hear some stories of living like the 1900s. Because, you know, that's one thing with like being Amish, obviously, you wouldn't have any technology. And especially when I was growing up. And yes, I did grow up Amish. And it was like, I still remember mowing the lawn on those push reel mowers. Oh, yeah. I remember when we used to, before we had a fridge, we used to have what they call an ice box. And in the top unit is where you would put a block of ice like every 2 or 3 days. And there would be a delivery man, and we'd just call him the Ice Man. About every 2 to 3 days, he would have this big box truck and a cooler, and it would just be blocks of ice in that box truck. And he'd always, you know, come into the house, take out the small chunk of ice that was still remaining, and he'd put in a big new block of ice. That's the old times I remember. I think that's just crazy to think of right now. Good old times. Good times, though. Good times. Don't pick up the phone probably until 2015. Wow. You live in a big Amish area in Ohio? Is it Holmes County, Alex? There weren't really fun times. There were like, but thinking back to those days are like fond memories. I would never want to go back, but I still have really good memories. And yeah, it's pretty crazy to think back. Crazy to think back to those days. Buy Amish donuts. Oh yeah, they're the best. Any Amish food is really good. Yep. Anyway, I'm not sure how we got on that subject, but good times, good times. Yes, my parents are still Amish. Yep. I have a good relationship with them. And definitely not everything you hear about Amish and stuff isn't true. If you watched Amish Paradise or any TV show related to Amish, let me just assure you, you've been misinformed. You have been misinformed. Amish wives are the best. I would agree with that because my wife also comes from, we married, when we got married, we were still Amish. No, I have a lot of respect and appreciation for the Amish. They're trans Amish people. Fouls, not that I'm aware of. Not that I'm aware of. Hope your wife reads this. I doubt she's watching. I don't know. Man, you guys are crazy. Oh yeah, the horse and buggy. That's always, you got to be careful. You got to be careful when you're driving. Yes, I do work from home. I do drawings. I'm a small time business owner. Um and of that business, the part that I do is I do the design and drawing portion of it, and I also take care of the financials. You identify as Amish. Yeah, sometimes it can definitely be a slower pace of life. But and it's just to each his own, you know. It wasn't for me. I was too, I don't know. It just wasn't for me, but I have a lot of friends that are still Amish and I have a ton of respect for them. And Amish are just like everybody else. They're just people. It's really that simple. It's a way of life. If my customers know it, I don't really advertise it. No, I don't really know why that would be of any business of them, but hey, I guess I don't know. Yeah, you're good. Rumspringa. Yeah, I definitely went through that. Yeah, the Amish can put up a barn in a day. That reminds me of a video, and I would pull it up on YouTube right now, but I'm afraid I'll get copyright striked again. But there is a Family Guy clip. I think if you search on YouTube for Family Guy Amish barn raising, you'll see the video. Oh man, I've laughed so hard on that video. It is hilarious. Hilarious. Oh man. Most people are sure. Thank you, Biz. Thank you. I appreciate that. Nice, Alex. Nice. I don't even doubt that. I don't doubt it. Hey, thank you, Almighty. I appreciate that. You guys are too kind. All right. But man, this market is just making it's trying to see how slow it can move down. I think that's the challenge right now. How slow can it go? Yeah, I don't doubt it. That is one thing, like the work ethic that gets instilled growing up Amish is I'll forever be thankful for that. And it's also just and let me say this, not all Amish families are perfect. The Amish community has the same struggles, has the same issues that everybody else has. So it's not a perfect community by any stretch of the imagination, but by and large, the community aspect of it is something that is very valuable and still valuable to me today. And that community, for example, if your neighbor's barn burns down, and it's just amazing to see how much people, like the next day, there will be 20, 30 people there from the neighborhood cleaning up and getting ready to build another barn. And seeing that and having that anywhere else, it's like that is something that is really amazing to see. Last year, we had a really bad storm move through this area, and there were tons of trees down, and just to see, I remember the one place, the one business had it was a pretty new business, and they basically had, I think they manufactured or produced, they didn't produce honey, but they obviously, it was like they sold honey, and the whole roof of their business was torn off. And that morning, before it was even light out, there were like 3 to 4 construction crews there already putting up a new roof. And before noon that day, they had the roof back on. And I don't know, I love that. That is amazing, and part of the reason I really enjoy living in this community. Yeah, it's just refreshing to see. All right, okay, we got our first little bounce here. Think about trying it here. If we can get above, I think we'll wait. If I speak German, so I took German classes, like High German, in school, but that is actually not the dialect that the Amish speak. They have kind of their own unique dialect. So, but yeah, I can definitely talk. I guess most people call it Pennsylvania Dutch, is like the language that people speak. What's my strat? I mean, basically, I trade price action. I look for primarily looking for pullbacks to enter on if we have a really nice trend. I also trade breakouts, momentum, but I'm primarily I want to trade price action and Trade what I see. Some Pennsylvania talk. That feels weird. Wie bist du? And that means, how are you? All right, can this thing climb above this EMA? That's probably what you hear. Like, I think I have a little bit of, I have an accent, and that's where that accent comes from. See if this can push above this EMA and hold it. It's 12:54, so we're an hour away. Hey, Julie. How are you doing? Apex takes a lot of commissions. I'm not sure what you mean, Julie. Do you mean like the Apex affiliates get a lot of commissions? Or do you mean, or what? I'm not sure what you mean, Julie. The market takes the commissions. Oh, you mean the commissions per trade contract. I think it's $1.99 for a mini and 51 cents for a micro, which actually isn't bad. Like for example, my UProfit account takes $2.50 in commissions versus $1.99. I'm not, yeah, I think it's pretty, I think $1.99 for a futures is a very good price for a commission. Like if you would go to trade your own money, I think you would pay more than that in commissions. Well, I shouldn't say that, depending on what broker you go with. There's some out there, but once you calculate all of the fees and everything, green but down because of the commissions. Well, I hear you. I mean, I will say it adds up, especially if you're trading 2 to 3 contracts. It adds up amazingly fast. Yeah, right here and here, right here. Here, let me just draw this. We got this trend line going, but we also have this trend line going. It's trapped. We're never getting out of this. I drew the line, so now it can't move past it. Unfortunately, looks like we're stuck here, folks. Oh yeah, 8 at once. Yeah, that will add up real quick. Pretty sure that Apex doesn't have to pay any commissions. Well, they have to pay for the brokerage live data feed. They have to pay for that. But that's it. Yeah, the trade looks good both ways. What are we going to do here? Looks like we're going to break up, but I'm going to sit and wait. No need to rush into anything. I need to figure out this stupid electrical thing I have going on here. Yep, at 2 o'clock, Julie. I guess I'll probably pull it up and we'll watch it together. I guess I hope that that isn't going to be a copyright strike, right? That shouldn't be. Kind of worried about those now. Yeah, it's definitely going to be volatile. Hey, Chris Underwood. Are you Carrie Underwood's brother? Or cousin? Yeah, I'm definitely not going to be trading right at FOMC. Trust me. Cousin? Nice, nice. Welcome to the channel, Chris. Let's go. Hey, I forget. I'm terrible today at all these subscriptions. Will ADA subscribed today. William Guzman subscribed. ZT subscribed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, if you're in the channel and you're just, hanging out, you appreciate whatever, you want to hit that subscribe button or the like button, either or, that'd be cool of you. That'd be pretty sweet. And now we're pulling back again. Oh, wow. Pulling back quite a bit here.